Ever need to check if an outlet is live or troubleshoot electrical problems at home but aren't sure where to start? A good voltage tester can save you time, keep you safe, and make DIY electrical work way easier. Today, we're diving into the best voltage testers for home use, from simple non-contact testers to multifunction devices that do it all. Stick around because I'll show you the safest, most reliable options that every home should have in their toolkit. Product 5, CEMA 15EX Voltage Tester. Ever struggled to locate a live wire safely? I used to worry about accidental shocks and messy wires. Meet the CEM AC15EX non-contact voltage tester. No need to touch wires, just hover and detect instantly. It's ATEX explosion-proof certified for safe industrial use. Dual voltage ranges: 12 volts, 1000 volts, or 100 volts, 1000 volts. Super versatile, bright red LED and buzzer alert you to live voltage. Switch between audible and silent modes, depending on your environment. Compact, lightweight, and clips right onto your pocket. IP67 waterproof and drop-proof, built for tough jobs. Check out the rear flashlight for dark spaces. So handy, just press the button, wave near a wire, and see results. Perfect for electricians, maintenance, or DIY home repairs. Stay safe, work faster, and troubleshoot confidently. Grab yours now from the product link in the description. Product 4, Fluke 2 AC Alert Voltage Tester. Ever felt a surge of worry before touching a wire? I remember my first electrical project at home. Uncertainty made every step feel risky and stressful. Then, I discovered the Fluke 2 AC Alert Voltage Tester. Pocket-sized, it fits perfectly in my hand. No more guessing, just a quick, safe voltage check. Its tip glows red when voltage is present nearby. Voltbeat technology means it's always self-testing. I trust it for every job, big or small. From home repairs to factory floors, it's always ready. The battery check button gives me peace of mind. No contact needed, my safety is never compromised. Fluke's reliability keeps my family and team protected. Now every project starts with confidence and care. Choose Fluke 2 AC, protect what matters most. Check the product link in the description to get yours today. Product 3, Voltage Tester and GFCI Receptacle Tester. The lights flicker panic. Is it a wiring fault? You reach for your old tester, nothing. No clue. Is it the outlet, the breaker, or something worse? You're sweating. Time is ticking. Safety at risk. Suddenly, you remember the Klein Tools RT250 kit? You grab the kit, LCD screen glows clear and bright. Plug in the GFCI tester. Instantly, voltage appears. It shows trip time, wiring faults, even open neutrals. No more guessing. The truth is right in front of you. You spot a fault, fix it fast. Danger averted. Need to check live wires? Use the non-contact tester. Flashlight on dark corners revealed. Wires detected safely. Every test is quick, clear, and accurate. Peace returns. Electricians, DIYers, pros don't risk uncertainty anymore. Get the Klein Tools RT250 kit. Diagnose, protect, trust. Click the product link in the description to get yours today. Product 2, Astro AI Circuit Breaker Finder with GFCI Outlet Tester. Many believe circuit tracing is slow and unreliable. As a certified electrician, I see wasted hours on manual testing. Traditional methods often miss hidden issues and cause confusion. Introducing the Astro AI Circuit Breaker Finder with GFCI Outlet Tester. This tool uses precise digital detection to locate breakers fast. Plug the transmitter into an outlet, scan the panel with a receiver. Clear audio beeps and red flashes confirm the correct breaker instantly. A built-in LED light illuminates dark panels for easy tracing. Integrated GFCI tester checks wiring and outlet safety in seconds. Compatible with 9120 volts AC, covering most household systems. Auto shutdown and low battery alerts prevent interruptions. Includes versatile adapters and a sturdy EVA case for organization. Watch as I quickly identify a breaker and test an outlet, no guesswork. Astro AI delivers accuracy, speed, and peace of mind for every user. Upgrade your electrical toolkit, choose Astro AI for safer, smarter work. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 1. Non-contact voltage tester. Ready to see the ultimate voltage tester in action? Unboxing the Klein Tools NCVT 2P looks rugged and compact, feels solid in hand, lightweight, and pocket-friendly. Dual range detection. Covers 12 a 1000 volt AC. Super versatile. Let's test it on a power outlet. Green light means safe. Touch near live wire visual and audible alerts. Activate instantly. Clear indicators make voltage detection foolproof and fast. Auto power off feature saves battery, perfect for daily use. IP54 dust and water resistance built for tough job sites. Cat 4 1000 volts safety rating adds reliable protection. Ideal for electricians, DIYers, and maintenance pros alike. Detect voltage in cables, outlets, panels, even doorbells. Klein Tools quality 160 plus years of trusted craftsmanship. If you need accuracy and durability, this is your tester. Don't risk your safety. Get the NCVT 2P now. Click the product link in the description to get yours today.